Out, y'all. This is one for the bug out bag. This company sent me a first aid kit from keepgoingfirstaid.com. It's a little first aid kit, and this thing might be small, but it's loaded full of stuff. And it's weird because like the day after I got this, I ended up laying myself open with a little knife. I was slicing some wire. I was making, I was hooking up that new heater I got, and I was wiring it, and sliced myself open. Had to get a couple of these little band-aids right here. These little panda bears and penguins. I had to wrap myself up, but this thing's loaded full. I mean, pretty cool. And if you use the code, I think Philbilly Moonshine, you'll get a discount. I'll double check on the code. But you know, let's see what's all in here. There's a sewing kit in here and everything, bro. I'm gonna get you a close up of this. We'll go through this. So the code's Philbilly, and you'll get 10% off your order. But you know, look at this. Tick remover. You see in here? Sewing kit, safety pins, tweezers, all kinds of stuff. That's just in that pocket there. It's a nice little first aid kit. Here we got triple antibiotic, all kinds of band-aids. I think that's all triple antibiotic and band-aids. Over here, burn cream, anti-itching, alcohol pads, cleansing wipes, more band-aids. Just anything you need. Little butterfly bandages, different size band-aids. Shit, they even got lip balm. Over here they got tape. Nosebleed plugs. I even got stickers for your kids, you know what I mean? I felt like I needed one of them dinosaur stickers the other day. Man, that thing I bled like a stuffed pig. But how cool is that? Super cool. Little kit. I'm gonna put this in one of my bug out bags or in the trunk of a car. Somewhere I might need it, you know? You can never have enough first aid stuff. But keepgoingfirstaid.com. Philbilly gets you 10% off if you want to. I appreciate the first aid kit, y'all. That's it. Y'all have a good night.